Hello mga kabarangay, another week, another module para sa inyo. And this is connected to the video before this wherein I talked about paano maging VA nang walang experience. So doon, I gave like 5 steps para maging isang VA ka. And this topic right here, which is wala ka bang VA experience, no? I covers the first 2 steps. Mamaya papakita natin yan. So if you haven't seen that video yet, no, might as well pause this and go to the previous one. All right? Para may overview ka, no, ng ating pinag-uusapan. But if you don't know me yet, I'm Jam. I'm the founder of the Barangay VA, the founder of Buhay Virtual Assistant, no? And if you're looking for real talk, no, true to life, no, na tips kung paano maging isang virtual assistant, no, then this is the channel for you. So like and subscribe now. And kung hindi nyo alam, no, meron tayong, again, no, community called Barangay VA wherein you can learn how to become a VA for free because meron tayong free VA course just like this, no? But anyways, no, nakalink yan sa ating profile. But before we get there, I need you to listen to this topic, all right? So, I mentioned that in the previous video, I discussed kung paano maging isang VA without experience at ito yung 5 steps na binigay ko. No? Step number 1 is identify transferable skills. Number 2, consider your past work or industry. Number 3, update your business or profile. Your business profile, I mean. Number 4, know where to apply. And number 5, take the leap and adjust. Okay? For this session or for this week, we're going to talk about the first two, which is identify transferable skills and consider your past work and industry. No? On the next few weeks, we are gonna tackle the rest. So abangan. Kaya kailangan nyo mag-subscribe para makompleto nyo ang lahat ng ito. Alright? Now, I just wanna say once again na hindi ako naniniwala na wala kang experience. Trust me, after watching this video up to the end, malalaman nyo kung bakit ko to sinasabi and I will prove you wrong. Maybe 90% of you guys akala nyo wala kayo experience as a virtual assistant where in fact, meron kayong mga transferable skills or experience na pwede nyo dalhin dito sa world na ito para maging isang virtual assistant na epektibo. Okay? Now, I'm gonna I'm gonna teach you, no, kung paano mo malalaman ito. Ano yung mga 3 questions that you need to ask yourself, no? Para malaman mo kung sino ka as a virtual assistant based on the 3 things, no? Your job, your industry, and your what? Hobbies. All right? So let's start with the first one, which is the first question you ask yourself, ano ang aking previous or current job? All right? Ano yung trabaho ko ngayon, no? Ano yung trabaho ko before na pwede kong gamitin, no, para maging isang epektibong virtual assistant in the future. Let me give you an example. Very straightforward to. Previous job, accountant. Pwede kang maging isang accounting VA. Dati kang human resource or recruitment, no? Pwede kang maging HR VA or recruitment VA or comp and ben VA, kung ano man yan. No? Dati kang admin assistant, no? Pwede kaming admin VA, general VA, executive assistant, no? Pwede yan. CSR, customer service representative, pwede ka maging customer service representative VA. Mala call man yan or chat support. No? Pwede or emails, pwede, no? Website designer or developer ka dati, pwede kang maging actually online website designer and developer pa rin. Operations manager ka before, pwede kang maging OMVA as well. At girl, mataas din ang sahod dito. Diba? Very straightforward. No? So don't tell me na wala kang experience. Meron, iba lang ang setting. May aaralin ka lang onte, no? Kagaya ng mga US laws, gano'n, no? Para lang, makapag-function ka as a VA. So that's the first question. Alin ka dito? comment mo dyan, no? Ngayon na-realize mo, alika dito, comment mo dyan. At kung meron kang current job, no, na hindi ko na-mention dito, comment mo dyan, no? Malay mo, no? Ma-figure out natin kung anong klaseng VA pwede ka. So, i-comment dyan sa comment section kung ano yung current job mo, no? The second question I want to ask you is, ano ang aking previous or current industry? Number one, we talked about current or previous job. This time, ano yung previous or current na industriya ang na-experience ko, no? Kasi this matters as well, no? Papakita ko sa iyo na naman mga sample na yan. Okay? For example, galing ka sa medical or healthcare or baka nurse ka, no? You can be a medical VA. At napakalawak na to, guys. Meron kang dental VA, medical VA, vet VA, medical receptionist. Pwede kang maging medical scribe, pwede kang maging medical biller. Napakarami, no? Medical VA for registered nurses, napakarami dito. Okay? Sa finance or accounting VA or QuickBooks VA or bookkeeper, no? Napakarami, halos lahat ng mga businesses sa Amerika kailangan ng accountants or baka nasa legal side ka, no? Pwede kang mag-isang paralegal virtual assistant. Diba ito, getting popular to ngayon. Real estate, alam niyo na to, no? Real estate virtual assistant, napakarami. Cold caller, SMM under the real estate industry, no? Pwede kang transaction coordinator, transaction manager, and many, many more. Diba? Acquisitions manager, napakarami guys. Sobrang dami online, no? Number five, marketing or advertising. Pwede kang maging isang social media manager or social media marketer or a skill specific na job which is pwedeng video editor, pwedeng podcast editor, pwedeng copywriter, SEO, website, strategist, whatever that is. No? Mga estudyante pa nga lang ngayon eh. Sa college, ang galing na gumawa ng mga, alam mo yon, ng mga animations, ng mga graphics, ng mga videos, anything about creatives, ang galing nila. Kasi lahat virtual na. Pwede na sila maging VA ngayon pa lang, guys. At kumita. Yes. Pwede po. So, napakarami talaga, guys. And the last one is, ano ang aking mga hobbies? No? Sabi yung jam, ano ba yan? Tama ba yan? Tignan niyo guys, no? Kung mahilig ka mag-content creation, vlogging, ganyan, may mga social media account ka ngayon, no? Na personal, pwede kang maging isang social media manager. Yung social media accounts mo mismo sa iba't ibang platform, yun ang portfolio mo. At dyan ako nagsimula. Mahilig ka mag-video edit, pwede kang maging video editor once again. Mahilig ka magsulat, pwede kang mag-isang copywriter at iba-ibang klaseng copywriter meron tayo dyan. Guys, no, iba-iba, no? Next, graphic designing, mahilig ka. Pwede kang maging graphic designer. At kung ano-ano pa, mahilig kang gumawa ng logo, no? Or animations, pwede mo rin gayon yan online. Napakaraming opportunities. So don't tell me guys na wala kang experience. Once again, comment below, no, sa comment section natin. Kung ikaw ba, anong industriya ka galing or anong hobbies mo ngayon, plus ano ang magiging VA job mo. Comment below. I wanna see. No? Kasi guys, don't tell me wala kang skills, wala kang VA experience. Wala kang VA experience as a VA, pero meron kang skills na pwede mong gamitin, no? Na pwede mong pagkakitaan online as a VA. And that is what we call transferable skills. Transferable skills. So, I want us to stop asking na paano maging VA nang walang experience. Kasi guys, You have experience. Dito sa VA world, no? Skills ang labanan. Okay? Walang kwenta yung kung saan ka gumraduate or graduate ka man. Merong iba, no? Pero walang kwenta yung age, anong gender mo, wala. Okay? Skills and experience ang labanan dito. Okay? Yan ang labanan dito sa VA world. No? Of course, may mga agencies or clients that really looks for an actual remote work or online or VA experience. Pero meron pa rin, no? Mga agencies or clients na looks for entry levels, no? No VA experience, no BPO experience, pero may skills na sila na pwede nilang i-maximize para makapag-perform sila as a virtual assistant. Yung iba doon, may training pa, no? So you just have to know where to apply. So researching is very important as well. Kasi doon mo malalaman kung tama ba ang ina-applyan ko at yon ang itatakal natin in the future. Okay? Sa next na videos natin. Okay? Again, no? No? Kung sa tingin nyo ay nakatulong ito sa inyo, then patikim lang to. Dahil dito sa Barangay VA, sobrang daming yung matututunan through my free Zero to VA challenge or our free VA course. So nasa loob ng ating community which is Barangay VA. So guys, please be part of the Barangay VA community by clicking the link in the description box. Okay? Kung saan man yan, above or below. Nandiyan yung link, just click it and just go through all the steps and follow instructions, guys. Okay, and follow me here, subscribe or whatever, hit that notification bell kung sa tingin mo ay talaga nakatulong ito. Alright, so let's just give a recap before we end things, no? These are the 3 things you need to ask yourself para malaman mo kung anong pwede mong maging trabaho as a VA. Number 1, anong aking current or previous job? Number 2, anong aking current or previous industry? And number 3, anong aking mga hobbies? Very simple, no? Balikan nyo na lang kung gusto nyo. Pero sana nakatulong ito, mga beshi, no? Maraming salamat sa panunood at pag-end, no? Ang wala naman lang ibang pangarap kung hindi makita yung success nyo sa VA journey nyo. So, thank you guys and see you guys on the next video. All right? Have a great day.